Rolls-Royce Motor Cars presents Ghost Series 2, a powerful, driver-orientated and elegant rendition of the most popular Rolls-Royce nameplate in history and the most powerful, agile and technical expression of Black Badge. Rolls-Royce's disruptive alter ego is embodied by Ghost. Ghost Series 2 is more closely aligned to Rolls-Royce's sheer monolithic design approach than ever. The front end has been distilled into a clean and contemporary showcase for the illuminated Rolls-Royce Pantheon grille, an element of Rolls-Royce's design iconography that continues to be celebrated by clients worldwide. Ghost Series 2's modern presence is captured in its updated headlight and daytime running light graphics, which flow from the lower section of the grille to the edge of the front wings, dropping down to emphasize the motor car's generous 2,148mm width. The lower portion of the front end provides a foundation for the grille, augmented by new chrome embellishments that form a floating visual plinth for the Spirit of Ecstasy mascot. In rear view, Ghost Series 2 benefits from a new tail lamp configuration, harmonizing the side and rear surfaces. This treatment was inspired by Spectre, each featuring two expressive vertical light panels flanked by a curved chrome element, discreetly inscribed with the R monogram. Clients can choose from two new 22-inch 9-spoke wheel designs, one fully and one part polished. Both treatments are an elegant and modern complement to Ghost Series 2's contemporary yet timeless design, and subtly reflect its underlying potency. For Ghost Series 2, designers have also created a new exterior color, joining the marque's existing palette of more than 44,000 pret-a-porter hues and bespoke color service, where clients can craft their own shade and reserve it for their exclusive use. Named Mystique Blue, this metallic finish captures the hues and glamour of the Caribbean island it is named after, using glass and mica flakes to create a shimmer that evokes sunlight reflecting from a tropical sea. Black Badge Ghost Series 2's daring is in its subtle yet impactful exterior design. The most significant styling statement is the lower grille, marking the first time Black Badge Ghost has received a unique styling treatment. The lower brake air intake now features a new geometry, with two darkened chrome strips running longitudinally to functional air ducts, surrounded by technical black chrome frames. These pieces emphasize the verticality and solidity of the motor car's Pantheon grille, behind which lies the centerpiece of this motor car, the uncompromising and potent V12 engine. Black Badge Ghost Series 2 retains the Black Badge-defining black chrome treatment, where Rolls-Royce hallmarks such as the Spirit of Ecstasy, Pantheon grille, and side-mounted Badge of Honor are darkened. Each darkened component is precision-polished by hand to achieve a mirror black finish. For the first time on Black Badge Ghost, the door handles are completed with a black finish, further extending the noir effect that captivates the world's most disruptive super-luxury consumers. Black Badge Ghost Series 2's most dramatic exterior statement is a 22-inch part-polished, 7-spoke forged wheel set. Styled to project the mechanical complexity of its legendary high-power V12 engine and chassis technology, the reduced visual mass of the wheel and slender spoke geometry provide a clear view of the powerful disc brakes. This design signals the motor car's potency and extraordinary dynamic abilities, a defining aspect of Black Badge Ghost's character that draws an increasing number of clients to the Rolls-Royce brand. At the heart of Ghost Series 2 is the marque's uncompromising, potent and near-silent 6.75-liter twin-turbocharged V12 petrol engine and hallmark 8-speed gearbox. This powers the all-wheel steering and all-wheel drivetrain. Maximum torque is available from just 1,600 revolutions per minute, only 600 revolutions per minute above tickover, creating the perception of one endless gear and the unique waftability associated with the Rolls-Royce experience. In Black Badge Ghost Series 2, the formidable V12 engine is presented in a high-power configuration, producing 29 horsepower more power and 50 Nm more torque than Ghost Series 2. As with all Rolls-Royce Black Badge models, the low button situated on the gear selection stalk unlocks Black Badge Ghost's full suite of technologies, including a 50% increase in gear shift speeds when the throttle is depressed to 90%, and a subtly more voluble note from the motor car's exhaust system, features that dramatize but never compromise the effortless Rolls-Royce driving experience. The interior of Ghost Series 2 celebrates craftsmanship, both analog and digital. Housed in the new pillar-to-pillar glass panel, The central information display incorporates the Marque's advanced operating system. This enables clients to extend their bespoke commission from hardware to software, as the color of the digital instrument dials can now be tailored to complement the motor car's interior palette or exterior finish, aligning with Ghost clients' fascination with new and contemporary ways to make bespoke statements. Rear seat passengers can now connect up to 2 streaming devices to the rear screens, stream independently on each screen, and select their preferred entertainment from a newly developed interface, which also manages seating functions such as massaging, heating, and cooling. Ghost Series 2 benefits from bold new expressions of contemporary craft, meticulously conceived by the Marque's artisans. Alongside the central information display, on the passenger side, is the new Spirit of Ecstasy clock cabinet. This vitrine houses an analog timepiece and an uplit mirror-polished, solid stainless steel Spirit of Ecstasy figurine. She is placed on a stage with a matte black back panel and high-gloss side panels to create a reflection effect. On entering the motor car, the Spirit of Ecstasy is initially illuminated from below, as if she is being lit by a spotlight, before her stage lighting settles to a soft glow. Alongside this exquisite detail, and spanning the full width of the passenger side, is the illuminated fascia. The new illuminated fascia design looks to the stars for inspiration, capturing the movement of the night sky in a design reminiscent of time-lapse celestial photography. A new interior material named Gray Stained Ash has been crafted to complement Ghost Series 2's elegant design enhancements. This richly grained natural open-pore wood is stained by hand and enriched with microscopic metallic particles to create a unique and highly contemporary shimmering effect, a technique that took more than 4 years to develop. The dark, technical surfaces that codify Black Badge are used discreetly yet extensively within the interior of Black Badge Ghost Series 2. Perhaps the subtlest illustration of Rolls-Royce's alter ego is within the new clock cabinet. The vitrine houses an analog timepiece and an uplit Spirit of Ecstasy figurine, presented in black chrome rather than a mirror-polished finish. This elegant expression of contemporary craft is placed alongside the uprated central information display, which now integrates the Marque's new advanced Spirit operating system. Below the glass fascia and throughout the interior, Black Badge Ghost Series 2 features a meticulously crafted technical carbon surface finish. The Marque's craftspeople developed a complex but restrained diamond-shaped weave using carbon and metallic fibers on top of a black bolivar wood base. Leaves woven from resin-coated carbon and contrasting metal-coated thread are laid by hand in a diamond pattern, which creates a 3-dimensional effect. If immersive seating is commissioned with a center console, clients can specify the Black Badge family motif, the infinity symbol, onto the rear technical carbon waterfall section that separates the rear reclining seats and conceals the champagne cooler. Rendered in aerospace-grade aluminium, it is applied between the 3rd and 4th layers of 6 layers of tinted lacquer, which appears to make the symbol float. Black Badge Ghost Series 2 also uses an advanced technique known as physical vapor deposition to darken the interior metals. The speaker grills and air vent surrounds on the dashboard and in the rear cabin are enhanced with this process, which does not discolor or tarnish through repeated use, exposure to temperature extremes, or over time.